In this video, I am going to show you how to verify your domain for Facebook in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So to do this, at first you need to log into your Wix account. After that, from the left menu, just click on Settings. And here we will see different settings for our website, but from the Advanced tab, we are going to click on Custom Code from here. This will only work for you if you have a professional plan on Wix. It will not work for the free plan. And as you can see that I have already added Facebook Pixel to my Wix website, and it's working fine. To verify our domain name, from the top, just click on Add Custom Code. Just give it a name. After that, go to your Facebook Business Manager, click on Business Settings, and then click on Brand Safety. And from the Brand Safety, select Domains. After that, just click on Add. Now add your domain name. And after that, copy the verification code, go back to your Wix website and paste it here. And then just click on Apply. In this way, your Wix domain will be verified and it will start working with Facebook. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.